Welcome back to our channel, guys.
Hi everybody. That's what Mickey would say. Mickey would say, hi everybody.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, you're right.
You're right.
You're right. Hi everyone, how's it going?
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back.
Ope and Ayo. Team Ope and Ayo. The best team. Tag team.
Tag team. Chomnoku.
Tag team. Yeah, okay, so what do we have today?
We got some good stuff. We always have some good stuff. We always try to give you good stuff.
Good packages.
We got good packages, good goodies.
Goodie bag.
So, I think do we call it PG-13?
Well, we said it's PG-13. I don't know if it's actually PG-13 to be honest.
Yeah, because we're not saying anything nasty.
Yeah, we're not saying anything.
But yeah, today we're going to talk about sex.
Sex in marriage, part 2.
Part dos.
Double.
Meji.
Double.
So, yeah.
So this is the part 2 of the Sex in Marriage series. And yeah, we just decided to space it out a bit because we got quite a lot of emails from the first one.
Yeah.
And so we were responding, we still just responded to some of the emails just a few days ago.
Thank you for the emails, by the way, and we're sorry we're always so late. Like, it's something we know we need to improve on.
We're working on it.
We are working on it, you know.
Yeah.
We're trying to make Michaela our PA, but, you know, the girl's still small. She can't type yet. So, but we'll get there.
We will get there.
Yeah, so this is Sex Part 2.
Part 2.
Title.
And what we're going to be talking about is the preparation for sex.
Preparing the ground.
Preparing the ground. Okay?
For fellowship.
You see, because before... for fellowship, add that one to the list.
Yes.
Okay?
Fellowship.
So there's praise and worship. There's...
fellowship.
Spiritual amalgamation.
Yeah.
And then there's fellowship. Okay?
Funny enough, we watched someone. Did you watch it, baby? I watched a woman and she said she called it fellowship. And she was like, first you need opening prayer.
Yeah.
Then you need the praise and worship. Then after you have the testimony. Then you have good testimony.
Amen. Amen. Cleanliness. Cleanliness. Okay? What is cleanliness?
Not dirty.
Simply put, cleanliness is not being dirty. Okay? Now, I think it's just making a conscious effort.
To not smell. Quite simply. No, because imagine like you're trying to get close to your husband and your wife and then they now just argue and then you now just smell body odor.
It's not nice.
It's not nice.
So cleanliness. So in cleanliness, I'm talking about not trying to smell. So the first thing would be the body. Okay? Second thing would be the breath, your mouth.
Cause that one is a silent killer. No. And obviously, you know our situation. Go back and click on the couple game. Go and find out who had the bad breath.
No, you had the bad breath.
It was you, baby.
Morning breath.
You
had the worst morning breath.
Baby. Anyway, that's for another day.
Anyways, we'll put the link there.
We'll put the link.
Okay. Serious now. So you need to be clean. Now, what does it mean by being clean? You know, in preparation. So in preparation for sex, I just have it at the back of my mind that I want to be clean. Now, I don't know when it's going to happen. However, when I want to make it happen, when I know I want to initiate, I know that I'm clean. In terms of either I've had a shower or I've wiped myself. You know, I'm not sweating. I'm not smelly. Do you understand? You cannot just be coming from the gym and they want to bounce on your wife.
No, because they're ginger, didn't it? Like, I've done my weights, I've done everything. Like, yeah.
Oh.
So now that's why.
So that's why
you know the adrenaline rush is like, so all that energy you got.
So you now want to just pour the energy.
On the poor woman.
So have a shower. Do you understand? After your gym, after a day's work, where you've sweat, where you've shaken hands, you've done all sorts. Have a nice shower, feel clean. When you feel clean, actually, what I even notice is the sex is better.
That's true.
The sex is better when you're just from the shower. When you're fresh out the shower.
Fresh.
You feel fresh. Everything is new. Do you understand?
You smell fresh as well. So.
You smell fresh.
And it's just, I think it's a turn on as someone who smells fresh. But actually, in saying that, some people are turned on by sweaty.
By stink. So I think everything is different. Like we said, we're sharing our experience. Now you mentioned turn on. That's because when I smell good, you know, she knows immediately and she tells you, oh baby, you smell nice. Sometimes it's my perfume. Do you understand? That's why she knows I love perfume. She buys all my perfumes for me. I've got loads. So I like to smell nice. Do you understand? So it's a case of, it might just be that I just got back. Do you understand? Or just before I come in. There's many times before I come in from work, I spray myself.
So that I can pounce on you.
No. You know, I spray myself to smell nice.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
And then she notices, oh baby, you smell nice. I'm like, oh.
And I didn't spray anything. That's what I was.
It's normal.
Just...
You know, I'm like, you know, that's just me. I'm just being.
Yeah.
But obviously, I'm confessing now. But sometimes she knows there's nothing there. Do you understand?
Smell good. And then obviously you touched on the breath. Like,
yeah.
Not necessarily, you might not go and brush your teeth because you might be in a hurry. You might just be in the mood. So you might want it to just be quick. Have a little bit of mouthwash. Just a little bit of mouthwash on the side.
Mouthwash.
Doesn't do anyone any harm.
Mouthwash.
Because, you know, come on. Like,
No, mouthwash is your best friend. There's sometimes.
Oh, wow, okay. What do you mean?
No, there's sometimes that when she has mouthwash, I know that she wants something. Because she would have early in the morning, I'll be spending mouthwash. I'm just waking up.
Oh my.
And she too, she's actually just waking up. But she's spending her mouthwash. That means like an hour before or 30 minutes before, she's going to use mouthwash.
You're bad.
Just in case something happens in the morning. Or just because
ladies, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Because I do. But it's good. Before I sleep, I put that mouthwash in. Mouthwash is now like my water. I drink mouthwash like it's water. You just want to have a fresh breath. Do you understand? It is nice.
It's true. Ain't no shame in it, guys. Like, seriously, you want some love, you love your husband, your wife, then you gotta be prepared to make, can I call it a sacrifice? It's not even a sacrifice.
It's even for yourself.
It's for yourself. You want to receive something. You want to receive something. So please, you know, keep, you know, body on check.
Body on check.
Breath on check.
Breath on check.
Please.
Do you understand? So that's why before going to bed, you might want to shower. Okay? Because sometimes, I don't know if I'm going to have sex that night. I don't know if we're going to have sex waking up in the morning. But it's just a preparation. You're ready for it.
Ever ready. And I means ever ready. Always ready.
So, it can happen anytime. Okay? And over to the next thing.
How you look. I think you mentioned it before. How you look. Like,
you need to look good. Yeah.
From a woman's perspective, we know as women that men are very much driven by the physical. Like, what they see determines what they feel.
It's a very physical something.
It's a physical something.
Men are moved by sight.
So, exactly.
But wait, does that mean women are not moved by sight?
You're not moved by sight, but we can excuse you, you know. He has a bit of Bobby. He has a bit of a bomb.
No.
It's okay, you know. We still have the love. But a man, it might be difficult for a man to feel attracted to a woman if she doesn't look the way he wants her to look.
Good.
So, as a woman, I feel like a lot of like sex is related to the way you look.
Yeah.
So
dress sexy.
Dress sexy, yeah. It's not every day that you have to, you know, pull out all the stops, but I feel like have the basics. I feel like have something, just at least one cute item, at least one black sexy lingerie that, you know, can send your man, your man will just be all over you, that you have to be sending your children to grandma and granddad's. Like, so and then it doesn't have to be like, because I always say it doesn't have to be, you could have a black sexy 90 or whatever, black sexy lingerie, and then have some cute shorts and a top,
bomb shorts,
a top, you know, but please, no rapper. I don't care if the Ankara is the latest Ankara. No rapper.
No rapper. It's a no-no. Okay?
Yes.
Now, guess what? Now that I guess the rapper message is for the older ladies.
Maybe. No, not necessarily.
So you mean there's young girls that wear rapper? Please stop it.
Stop it. It's not nice.
Stop it. Do you understand? No wearing of rappers. Okay, so in preparation for sex now, you want to look good. Okay, now in looking good, there's sometimes that you yourself, you're not even trying to look good because you want to have sex. Okay, but there's times when she's just trying clothes on. Okay, she's just trying. Oh baby, I got this new nice clothes, or clothes that I even bought for her. Okay, and I'm watching her, and she's trying the clothes on. Immediately she wears the clothes, and it looks good. Things happen. Do you understand?
That's what you call impromptu.
That was very impromptu. However,
impromptu.
because she was looking nice in those clothes, immediately it was sending signals. Those signals, they move so quick. As I was just watching it like this, I was just looking. And before you know it, things will happen. Do you understand? So for that one, she did not plan it. Okay? But she looked good. Do you understand? She wore a nice dress. Okay? And things happened.
And just to emphasize, it's not necessarily like doing your face, your hair, because I don't know if you guys know me, I'm not a master in makeup.
Yeah, she's not a makeup.
I'm not a makeup person. But just looking good could just be even just being clean. Just being clean, and like you said, wearing something that just sets sparks up is enough.
Okay,
but I feel like, as we say, for women, the same must be for men.
Yes.
Please, men, no ripped boxers.
No.
Stop it. No dirty pants.
Wait, do you remember? Do you remember those?
No, you have to show them that.
There was something we saw. Was it on Instagram?
Yeah.
I think I'll put it there. I'll put the picture there for you to see. Okay? Wearing boxers with holes.
Yeah.
Only meat for my stew.
Now I'll give you a short story. So obviously men are always talking about how you need to look good, how the women need to look good. You're coming to bed, you need to wear some nice sexy nightie or pajamas, not wearing old cargo stuff. Now for the men it's the same thing, you know. I remember one time where I was wearing some thick socks. Okay, I was wearing a pair of very loose joggers, and then I was wearing an odd nightie top. So imagine it was a nightie pajamas top with a pair of loose joggers, very loose, very unsexy, and some socks. Okay, and I remember that night, you know, I was trying to make a move, I was trying to be a man, and I was making a move on my wife, and then she said, baby, see how you look. I was pained. But then, and I said, okay. I took offense to that because she was like, I don't look nice. But I now looked at myself in the mirror. I did not look nice. It was not a sexy look. It was not a sexy look.
Oh my gosh.
Do you understand? And then from that day, I don't know if she has noticed, when I'm going to bed, do you understand?
Don't reveal.
Look attractive to your wife.
That's it. Just look attractive.
Look attractive to your wife. Okay? There's when you look attractive, the chances of her saying no, or the chances of her postponing it, because she might not necessarily say no, but she might just delay it for a few hours or till the next day. And you don't want that. So it will reduce the chances of getting a no. So look good, dress well, dress sexy.
Look good for your own good.
On point. And this brings us to the next thing now. What is the next thing?
I don't know.
I think the next thing is the preparation of the ground. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Preparation of the actual venue. Now, if you want to have an event, imagine your wedding.
Yeah, baby, I love your analogies. You know, I know what you're gonna say. Give me five. Oh yeah, go through.
So the venue needs to be ready before the wedding. Okay.
Before the bride and groom come.
Before the bride and groom come, or you're preparing for fellowship, the church needs to be set before you go and start the praise and worship.
Wait, this is real fellowship and real praise and worship.
Yeah.
People are not confused.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So it's setting the venue right. So before the service in church, now real church, before service starts, do you understand? The chairs are arranged.
Everything is orderly.
Okay. The mic is where it needs to be. Okay.
Everything smells nice.
Everything smells nice.
Yep.
The church is swept. Okay. The church is clean. So that's the environment that you're going to. Same thing with your praise and worship environment. Your environment for sex.
Yeah. It has to be nice.
It has to be nice.
It has to be nice. As in, okay, we're not saying like everyday candles or everyday, rose petals, but that's nice once in a while.
That's nice once in a while. Yeah.
But it's basic things. Clean room. Smell nice. Just a little plug-in. Just those little.
Yeah, there's plugins all over in this house.
Yeah.
when my friends come in or when we have visitors, that's the first thing they notice. The house smells nice. Do you understand? It is part of the venue.
Yeah.
Okay?
Because, you remember, I think human beings, we're very linked to smell. So you remember what a place smells like.
So what? Yeah, go on.
So room tidy.
Yeah.
Room smelling nice.
Yeah.
Beds neat.
The bed. Lay the bed. New bed sheet. Clean bed sheet. Neat. Put the pillows where they're supposed to be. There's sometimes, that's why, I remember one time where we were away. I can't remember where we went to. We were in London, not in London, we were in the UK, but we were in a hotel. So we went to the hotel. When we just entered, the arrangement of the bed, do you understand? The bed was nice, it was inviting. Do you understand? And immediately I told her, baby, we need our bed to be looking like this. Because the bed was attractive, the bed made me hungry for sex.
Had like all these plenty pillows, like, three duvets laid on top of each other.
Do you understand?
It was nice, it was nice.
It was nice, well decorated. There was not something just at the headboard there. Do you understand? It looked good.
It's true. The bed was very inviting.
Yeah. So that's part of the venue. Now, sometimes the bed might not be the venue. It might be your living room. Which is why... No.
Why are you exposing us?
Sorry. The venue might be the living room. The venue might be the kitchen.
The venue might be anywhere.
The venue might be your dining.
Try.
So the venue needs to look good, which is why there's many times when I come back from work or I come back from anywhere where I feel like the venue is not set. It might have been that I was coming with my plans, that immediately I see her, I'm just going to grab her and push her to one corner. But when that venue is not nice, I cannot carry out my plans.
Yeah, true. She will now be angry. Baby, what's wrong?
So sometimes when I even get angry, she might think it's that because of this little thing. But sometimes because I'm not upset because I'm not turned on by the environment because the environment is not set.
Yeah.
So sometimes I need to make the environment set so that I can carry out what I need to carry out. But sometimes I need her to make that environment set. Okay? But now she's gotten it. She knows that when I'm coming home, if she's home before me, she wants to make the environment.
All my friends know. They know. Oh, Ope, where are you? Ayo's coming home. I've got to tidy up. Bye. Like, why are you always tidying up? They always ask me, why are you always tidying up? Because Ayo's coming home.
That's why she's tidying up.
That's why I'm tidying up.
Because you need to get that venue ready for the service.
Exactly.
For the praise.
I don't want to miss my blessing.
It's a two-way blessing.
Give them, baby.
It's a two-way blessing. Do you understand? So if you don't want to miss your blessing and you don't want your husband to miss his blessing, tidy up the venue. Same goes to you as the husband. You don't want to miss your blessing. You don't want your wife to miss the blessing. Tidy up the venue. Let the venue look good. The last thing I wanted to talk about setting the scene or preparation is your phone.
Oh yeah.
Your phone. We've had episodes of phone being a turn off.
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's either you put your phone on silent or you turn it off. Most times I turn it off.
No, most times you throw it away. You just be like, you're like,
no, even if it's thrown away, okay, it's thrown away, but I need to make sure it's off or silent. When the phone rings, for me personally, it's a distraction.
You don't even like the TV, baby.
Yeah, except I have some music and I leave some music. But sometimes it depends what you like or what you don't like.
That's it. It depends on what you like and what you don't like. So you like we said, marriage is a journey.
Yeah.
Sex is your journey with your husband and wife will involve sex. So you need to actually take note of what they like, what they don't like,
that's it.
what turns them on, what turns them off, and do and undo accordingly.
Yeah, and talk about it.
Talk about
it. Still goes back to having
make
that conversation.
to make the experience as pleasurable as possible. Because there's no point in one person enjoying sex.
Yeah. So I'm trying to initiate. And then one phone is now ringing. Do you understand? Now, obviously, it's not your fault if your phone is ringing. Okay? Do you understand? However, immediately you notice
that
the signs of anything starting, or before you even go and start anything, please turn off your phone. Do you understand? And we've heard of stories, because I don't think that's happened to us personally, where if the phone is ringing when you started, you're probably at... Obviously, there's like 5 stages. I think we'll talk about the stages in sex later. So there's about 5 stages off the top of my head. So maybe you're now even actually stage 2. So you're not yet eating the main meal. You're just at the appetizer stage. Do you understand? And then the phone will now ring, and then one woman will say, "I have to take this." please.
Yeah.
It's rude. And it's a major turn off.
It's a major turn.
It's a major turn off. So your phone cannot be ringing and you'll be saying, oh, it's a client, or it's my daddy,
Yeah.
or it might be somebody. That's why let the phone be off. If they cannot get you at that time, too bad.
True.
Do you understand?
That's so true.
It's not nice, and she knows. Okay, so we've established that before we run the 400 meters race, we need to have phones on silent or phones off. Okay?
Because even the phone's being on, sometimes it can even put you in trouble.
Yeah.
That's how your phone will be on, you'll accidentally pick up.
And that's happened before. That has actually happened because there was a time I was using a phone, okay, and then it was plugged in. When you have a what's it called, hands-free, it automatically picks up calls. I don't know if it was a fault of the phone. Can't remember my Samsung S3.
Yeah.
Or was it S4? And then it automatically pick up calls. And guess what? Imagine you're now doing your praise and worship, and your phone will now pick up call, and then somebody else is now hearing things.
Exactly.
It's not nice.
But just on that as well, just a little pointer, because something like this has actually happened to us. If you've got babies, put the baby monitor off. It's off. Because it happened to us before.
Yeah, it happened.
It happened to us. Like literally, the baby monitor was on.
But the baby monitor was on, and then my mom was around. So my mom. Okay. Put the baby monitors off.
You guys get the gist.
So
anyway.
basically, turn off all technology.
Turn off all technology. Simple.
If you have CCTV in your room, turn it off.
Turn it off.
So turn off all technology, phones, baby monitor. That baby monitor story. I don't know if you remember that memory. It was quite embarrassing.
It was very embarrassing.
But thank God we had not gotten to the stage 4.
But mum had heard all the
mom had heard all the initial stuff.
The preparation of the. I thank God I wasn't talking. It was I that was talking.
Okay, yeah. But yeah, hopefully you've learned one or two things.
Yeah.
And let us know your thoughts.
As usual.
We didn't plan to be this.
Yeah.
I don't know if we were rowdy or we were too noisy or we were not serious enough.
That's because your blood is always shaking when we're talking about this kind of thing.
Okay, I'm going to be calm. I promise you, next video, this is how I'm going to speak. So today we're going to talk about sex. When it comes to sex. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video.
Yes.
Like, share, subscribe.
As usual, we always enjoy talking to you guys. So give us back your comments.
Give us back your comments. Give us back your feedback. We always
Yeah.
take your feedback on board.
Yep.
Thank you for all your support. Okay, so we're going to let you go now. Remember, sex is good for your marriage. And practice some of these things. It works like magic.
It does.
And yes, we'll see you in the next series. Bye.
Peace.
Ope Ayo, let me ojújúmọ́ ni màá ṣọpẹ́.